favorite loathing.
Welcome back to another episode of It Sledge on B&O. Today I'm having a low-key classic, Tecate, a nice Mexican cerveza. It's crisp, it's clean. It makes you want to put a lime in it and then dunk your balls in it and then drink your balls and lime concoction all together. It's great for crushing it when it's like 100 degrees in Denver or wherever you may be. But the real question is, can this beer stand up to our pal Candie, the Sledgehammer? And will it sledge? I think it sledged. How's that for a miss?